How to remove a contact from favorites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. The phone app provides features like a keypad for manual number entry, a favorites list for quick access to frequently called contacts, and a recents list for reviewing recent calls. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Favorites. You can view all your favorite contacts over here. If you want to remove a contact from here, then tap on Edit at the top left corner. Swipe left on the contact you want to delete and then tap on Delete. You can repeat this to delete the other favorite contacts as well. Following these steps, you can easily remove a contact from favorites on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.